Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for beginners. In this session, we will learn about Y, R and W lines Hiragana, and then we will discuss Vowelless Special Character. So let us start. Y-line Hiragana. These are Y-line Hiragana, pronounced as Ya, You, You, Ya, You, You. In Hindi, it is written as Ya, You, and You. The strokes order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3. Here, stroke number 1, stroke number 2. Here, stroke number 1 and stroke number 2. So these are Y-line Hiragana, Ya, You, You. Next is R-line Hiragana. These are R-line Hiragana, Ra, Re, Ru, Re, Ru. Ra, Re, Ru, Re, and Ru. Actually, pronunciation of R-line Hiragana is a bit complicated. There is no English equivalent of Japanese R sound. It lies between R and L sound, near to L. Suppose this is the upper jaw, this is back side, this is front, and this is the tongue. For L sound, position tongue is somewhere here, near to teeth. This is English L sound. And next to it is D sound. Position of tongue is somewhere here, D sound. And English R sound is somewhere here. This is R sound. Now Japanese R sound lies somewhere between L and D here. Position tongue is for Japanese R sound is somewhere here between L and D. This is Japanese R sound between R and L, near to L. And when it is pronounced as swiftly, if you pronounce swiftly, it is between R and D sound, near to D. For example, Rari, Ruredo. If you pronounce swiftly, it is between R and D sound. Otherwise, sound is between R and L, near to L. Now W-line Hiragana. This is pronounced as Wa and Wo. In Hindi, Wa and Wo. But when this is used as particle, it is pronounced as O. So the W-line Hiragana, Wa, Wo, and when it is pronounced as particle, it is pronounced as O. Now next is a special character. It is written as single stroke, pronounced as pronunciation is similar to ng sound in words like going, similar to ng sound, or a spring, pronunciation similar to ng sound. However, in Japanese words, its pronunciation differ depending on the sound that follows. If it is followed by N, D, T, R and Z sound, it is pronounced as N. It is pronounced as N. For example, An plus Nai followed by N sound, it is pronounced as Annai. Annai means information. Similarly, if it is followed by D sound, for example, moon plus dai followed by D sound, it is pronounced as moon dai. Moon dai means problem. Similarly, when it is followed by T sound, for example, kan plus tan, pronounced as kantan. Kantan means easy or simple. When it is followed by P, B, M sound, when it is followed by P, B and M sound, it is pronounced as N. For example, sin plus pi, it is pronounced as simpai. Simplify means worry or fear. Similarly, if it is followed by B sound, sin plus bun, followed by B sound, it is pronounced as simbun. Simbun means newspaper. And when it is followed by M sound, for example, sen plus mon, it is pronounced as semmon. Semmon. Semmon means a specialization. And when it is followed by K and G sound, when it is followed by K and G sound, it is pronounced as nasal. Nasal sound. For example, on plus gaku, and it followed by G sound, it is pronounced as ongaku. Ongaku means music. When followed by K sound, for example, don plus kan, don kan. Means insensitive. Similarly, gen plus ki followed by K sound, is pronounced as genki, nasalen. Genki means healthy. We will stop here and continue further in the next session with Hiragana of Group 2. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.